Hi guys, Chef Anthony here at Don's Appliances Experience Center. Today we're on the Jenn Air Wall oven. We're going to use the My Creations setting with this delicious mac and cheese. My Creations lets you add recipes to your convenience. We're going to do it in 3 stages. We're going to bake this mac and cheese. We're going to brown it off so it's nice and bubbly golden brown, and we're going to hold it at a keep warm setting. All right guys, we're going to go to the upper oven. We're going to scroll down to My Creations. Okay. We're going to create a new. All right, so for this mac and cheese, we are going to convection bake it. Okay, so we'll highlight convection bake. We're going to go 375. We'll hit next. Next, we'll set the timer on this. It'll take 25 minutes for our first stage of cooking. All right. So next we'll go to our second stage. Now that we've baked this mac and cheese, we're gonna add a stage. We're gonna brown the top of that mac and cheese. So we're gonna go to convect broil. Okay, we're gonna go 550. We're gonna set a timer for about 6 minutes. Okay. Now for the third stage, we already have it baked. We already have it broiled. Next, we're just gonna hold it hot until dinner's ready. So we'll hit add. We'll go all the way down to keep warm. Hold it at 170. And we're gonna hold it at 170 for about 12 minutes. Right, so to review the stages, convection bake at 375 for 25 minutes. Second stage, we're gonna broil it for 6 minutes. The next stage, we're going to keep it warm for 170 degrees, okay, for 12 minutes. We'll save that under mac and cheese. Now that'll be stored right in our My Creations. So next, we're going to open the oven door, we're going to hit start, make this mac and cheese. Finishing up the Jenn Air My Creations setting. Open the oven door here. We're at the keep warm 170 mark. Mac and cheese, done perfectly right, nice and crispy on top, ready to roll.